Suppose we get air.
1 minute car chatter.
Hi.
Hanging out with the girls.
We went for what did we go for? Acupressure, puncher, or we went for torture device?
Yeah.
Incoming!
And then we went out with Jake from State Farm.
You can't lift the hammer, can you?
I don't know. Just pretend that they're not here.
But he's gonna change the world.
Back seat, separate whole thing. Back seat, one chatter.
Apparently.
Yeah, maybe we should just do it
Car
back
chatter.
here.
Car chatter.
We put it back again. We still have, come on, contribute, front seaters.
That's a really bad angle.
Yeah.
All four of us have not been together for a long time.
Graduation.
Long time.
It's been like a good 4
Forever.
months.
Went for full body massages.
No.
It was a little awkward. Oh yeah.
Acupressure.
At one point, there was a man.
There's a man mounting.
Only
His
her.
knees were on my waist, and
Just her.
and his hands were on my shoulder. And when I peeked, he was on top of me.
I don't think Jacqueline needs to hear this.
She had to pay extra for that.
Second, did you
She
not?
tipped him really well.
And then we had to take her to CVS.
We'll see what happens tomorrow.
But yeah, it was great.
Yep.
Too
People
bad
didn't
there's
live
no
next to
Planned
us.
Parenthoods in Arizona.
Sent from my daughter. I'm not lying, it happened that way.
And on that note, that's 1 minute.
Bye.